not good. Hi guys, it's Catherine Okay, and here I'm going to be teaching you how to make a egg. But we're going to be using the microwave. So yeah, sorry if there's noise in the background. That's my dishwasher. It's right there, right next to me. So that's why it might be a little loud. So what you're going to need is a bowl, 2 forks, one to eat with, and one to do another stuff with. You're going to need some eggs. You might want a little salt. You want some salt. I put spices. I put some black pepper and a special spice that I got from California. It's called OMG. It's a really good spice. And so, yeah. So first you're going to take a bowl. And if you don't know how to crack an egg, you need some parent supervision. Oh, hi, Mommy.
Hi, Munchie.
Or you can just wait. Wait until it falls out. I don't want to make a mess. Oh, there we go. Whoa! Make sure to not get any, egg shells. Mama, can I have the trash can?
Yeah, it's right behind you. Uh-oh.
Don't make a mess. Make sure to wash your hands if it gets all over your hands. Okay, guys, so after you clean up your mess and wash your hands, you want to take one of your forks. I think I'm going to take the big one or the small one. Take the big one because I don't like. And just going to stir until you don't want to stir too much, but just going to stir for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Until it becomes like that. It should still go like this. It should not be a liquid. If you do that, it will be all wet and slimy on the bottom if you stir it too much. It happened to me before. Trust me, it tastes horrible. I'm going to put this in your sink or whatever you, put in your sink. Because that's where dirty dishes go. Your silverware. Yeah. Now is the part of the microwave. You might want some parent supervision if you're just get some parent supervision. Will you be my parent supervision?
Yeah, sure.
Mom's over there, so parent supervision.
Do you want me to microwave it for you so you don't have to climb up there and put it in there?
Yeah. It's very unsafe, kids.
Okay. Over.
Microwave it for 40 seconds. 40 seconds, not minutes. If you put it for 40 minutes, I don't know what will happen.
It might actually burn it and catch on fire.
Yeah, the kitchen will go. Your kitchen will go on fire, and then
It'll smell bad, real bad. And it probably will smoke.
and you'll die.
No, probably maybe not. Maybe not that dramatic.
17, 16, 15. I'll be right back with you guys when my egg is. Yeah. Okay, guys. So the egg is done, and it should look like that, not a liquid or anything like that. So what you're gonna do, Mama? Can I have a plate?
Yeah.
I need to get a plate.
I'll get you a plate.
I need a plate.
Here's a nice plate.
Unless you
Flour
want to,
on it for you.
unless you want to eat it in a bowl, which I've never done because I don't want to. I'm gonna take your eating fork. Just gonna do that, but it's very hot. Oh, it's still like a. I don't know if it's microwaved enough, Mama. It's still like a.
Let me show you. Let me see.
Oh, it's a little.
Let me see the bottom.
Look at that kind.
Oh, it's still a little runny. It's probably fine.
Yeah.
Depends on how you like your eggs. I like mine a little runny. Still tastes fine.
It's in like Ochie. Like it's all melted still. When you cut it open, Wengie likes those.
Oh yeah.
So.
Like
I don't
liquidy
know
on
where
the
it's sitting.
inside.
Yeah. I wouldn't eat that. I think
People like their eggs in different ways.
I'm just gonna put a little bit of salt. Don't put too much. It's okay, kids. Get salt on your counter or table.
Only if you clean it up afterward.
We'll clean it up where the dogs might eat it. So after that, I'm gonna put some black peppercorns. I'm gonna put a little bit of my special spice. It's from Stonehouse, California. Olive oil. It's like in a mall, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it was in like a weird little mall thing.
You're cleaning the microwave. You're cleaning the microwave.
Cleaning the microwave.
How did it get that messy?
Things exploded in there a couple times.
So guys, I might have a little bit overspiced it. That looks good. I like spice.
That looks,
around the
yeah.
plate.
It looks a little less spiced than you normally make it, in fact. Yeah, I think that looks really good.
Yeah, because on the bottom you don't have any taste.
Right.
So my egg. Let's hold like that. And then time to eat. I like slicing mine in half. I like slicing into the fourths because it's fun. Because if you don't know what fourths are, they're in half and then they're like in half again. It's half and then half like that. That's fourths. It's fourths. It's a T. So time to eat. Can you taste my creation?
A tiny bite, maybe not a huge bite. How about you taste it first? Is it good?
Mm-hmm. It doesn't have enough spice though.
Oh, well,
I can't taste any spice that much.
You could
All I
add-
taste is one, like a little bit of orange.
well, you could add a little more.
I had a lot of pepper, but the pepper, like, you need a lot of pepper.
Pepper's good. I love pepper. Oh, the dog needs it.
I'm just gonna put a little bit of orange. I put too little. At first it was like big one came out. A little bit of salt. A little bit. People. I put too much salt. So weird. Now we're gonna taste the creation. It is good. Mama, would you like to taste my creation?
Maybe not a huge bite. I'll take a nibble of that.
Is it good?
Yeah. Ooh, I love it. I love the pepper.
Did I put too much of anything?
No, I think it tastes really good, Munchie. You did a great job.
That looks disgusting. If you look on the bottom, it looks
Yeah,
like dirt.
but it tastes really good, so I think that's all that matters.
Don't judge an egg by its look. Ooh. It's a little bit wet on the bottom. Like, it wasn't cooked enough on the bottom, but it's still good. I got some. Oh my god, it's like. Whoa, that's weird. Like, it's like chunky, but then it's also liquid. It's like slime. So yeah, guys, so I will be right back with you when I'm done with my egg. So yeah, so this video went over. Okay guys, so I'm done with my egg, and my mom gave me this little Ipsy bag. It's really cool. I think I'm gonna keep a lot of stuff in it. Oh my god, it has a little bat. It's for Halloween, but it's not Halloween. It's not close at all. She doesn't want it. It's black inside. It's really pretty. Oh, I have to let my dogs in. It'll be 1 second. Okay, guys. So I let my dogs in, and as you know, I love slime. I love slime. And so I'm going to teach you how to do some slime. For Fool's Day, because it's coming up.
What?
I'm just gonna give it.
Oh, sorry.
And so I have some Play-Doh.
What are you doing now? You're making another video?
It's the same video.
That's a weird video. You should probably end the
Bye bye.
the egg cooking video.